Hi everyone, so today's the day. I hope you can catch up us later. I'll be speaking at BIM Testimonial Rights 2025. See you there.
Hi Ann. Hey! Hey guys. Last 30 minutes. Hi!
Hi!
Hi! Anong oras mga nagising? Si Alaika ang pinaka-nauna.
Like alas 3 pa lang gising na. Nagtitik-tik.
Parang mag-asawa lang.
UPLB is dedicated to consolidating and fostering academic excellence.
Just a few reminders, we'll be starting the program in a few minutes.
And then the song goes, syempre di tatapusin. Iisa lang ang buhay mo, kumilos ka, gamitin mo. Kung may nais ang puso mo, mangarap ka, abutin mo. Upang ito'y makamit mo, magsikap ka, simulan mo.
Define your long-run goal in life. Success or happiness? They don't usually come together. Or sequential, success muna, tapos happiness. Pwede rin. Pero, take it from me. Do not sacrifice your family relationship at the altar of material success. If you fail in your family, your other successes are irrelevant.
To invite on stage Dames Undergraduate Valedictorian of Class 2025, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Prince Christian and
We are no longer the students trying to prove our worth. We are professionals, shaped by purpose and driven by service, ready to take our place in nation building. So, to the graduates of the Department of Agribusiness Management and Entrepreneurship, let them talk. We will do the work and prove to them that we have what it takes to contribute and steer our country towards progress and a bright future. Congratulations, class of 2025. Maraming salamat.
Po ang tissue and let's all enjoy this short video.
Punta na po sa stage, malapit na pindutin ang shutter.
Dapat maganda. Wala nang maayos. Walang maayos. Grabe, parang manika naman yan. Si Jessa daw, si Jessa. Cute, diba? Like ba? Ayun. Ang funny. Hirap patanggalin.
Naniningid lang.
Nagbabayad na kami. Uy, magbabayad ka pala. Ay,
Ano yan? Libre mo ako ngayon, Ali.
Or
3-5 ba?
cash na yan, di ba?
4K.
Ilan? Yun.
Walang sasakyan. Mahihayin, paa mo.
Hindi ko na kaya eh.
Kawawa naman eh.
Tinan mo nga. Init na init.
Say hi. low porosity hair. High porosity pa. Ito ang low.
Guys. Yan yung nangyari sa akin.
Masakit.
Pinabidyohan kay Ople.
Alam mo, didelay ka on. Oh? Sa ano? Delay ng
Sa grad. Malilate.
Pwede ko ba kayong lakarin towards the camera tapos holding hands while walking with pasway-sway? Salamat sa pagsunod sa akin.
Number 2, civil wedding, post-civil wedding celebration.
Dami nangyayari.
With her limited witnesses. Nasiraan pa ng
sapatos. Yan na, dumidikit na siya.
ha?
Nangyari para naayos. Naglinis yan kahapon. Nakita ko naka-purified yung
Aftermath. Ay, naka-flash pala. Hello.
Hi. Cake up APOG. Legit na itong
Yung sapatos ko, guys.
Order pa ng sunflower.
Nag-reply ba?
Sabi ko, diba?
We're here.
Ay, sige.
Hi, Alex. Hi, Alex's vlog.
Hi.
Meron pa rin.
Be the economists who listen, the managers who care, and the entrepreneurs who build with purpose. Let us carry the lessons, the pain, and the privilege of this education and turn it into action. Eskolaro ng bayan para sa bayan. Congratulations, class of 2025. The nation is waiting. Let's get to work.
At this juncture, may we invite
Asan ka, Prince? Si Prince!
Prince, where are you?
Prince, where are you, Prince? So proud of you.
Patingin ng medal.
Yes, so patingin ng medal.
Hi!
Pwede tayo benta. Benta na natin yan, te.
Guys, I'm with the valedictorian with the highest academic award.
Shut up! Hi guys!
This is history.
I don't know what to say. Basta we're gorgeous.
Dito, pwede na dito.
We're gorgeous right now.
Me too. Wala problem. May unit.
Love you both.
Love you too. I'm so proud
Wait,
of you.
after uni.
Turista sa UPLB.
If you want it.
From the college.
Guys, umuwi na kayo. That's my brand, sorry. That's really my brand.
Bye-bye! Oh, wala na yung isa.
Yes. Yes. Kaya nga eh. After maths.